Brain-controlled wearables and smart devices are no longer science fiction. Today, these devices use brain signals to control technology hands-free. This new wave of innovation offers exciting possibilities for health, productivity, and entertainment. Anyone can benefit from these advanced gadgets designed for real life. In this video, we will explore the top brain-controlled wearables and smart devices you can use now. These tools help people with disabilities improve focus and even control homes. Stay with us to learn how this cutting-edge technology can change your life. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. Let's get started and dive into the world of brain control. 1. Neuralink Brain Interface. Neuralink is a brain-computer interface developed to connect the brain with devices. It uses implanted electrodes to capture brain signals and translate them into commands. This device aims to help people with paralysis control computers and phones. It offers high precision and speed for real-time interaction. Neuralink is still in testing but shows great promise for future use. It could transform medical treatments and everyday technology access. Though invasive, it represents a major step in brain-controlled devices. Researchers continue improving safety and efficiency to bring it to the public. It opens doors for new ways to communicate and control smart devices. Neuralink's technology may soon allow users to operate tech using thought alone. 2. NextMind Wearable Brain Sensor. NextMind offers a non-invasive wearable sensor that detects brain activity from the scalp. It uses EEG technology to measure visual cortex signals linked to attention and intention. Users wear a small device on the back of their head connected to apps or games. This allows control of digital interfaces by focusing attention or visual choices. It is lightweight, portable, and works in real time with no implants required. NextMind supports applications in virtual reality, smart homes, and accessibility. It provides hands-free control that enhances user experience and interaction. This sensor opens up new ways for people to engage with technology intuitively. It is available for developers and early adopters today. NextMind shows the future potential of brain-controlled wearables. 3. Emotive Epoch Plus EEG Headset. Emotive Epoch Plus is a wireless EEG headset that captures brain waves for mental commands. It is designed for research, education, and brain-computer interface applications. The device features 14 sensors that monitor brain activity with high accuracy. It allows users to control software, games, or devices using thoughts and emotions. Emotive offers SDKs for developers to create custom applications. It supports mental health monitoring and cognitive training tools. This headset is comfortable for daily use and connects via Bluetooth. It is widely used in academic and consumer markets. With Emotive Epoch Plus, users can experience advanced brain control technology today. The device empowers creative and medical applications through brain signals. 4. Muse S Meditation Headband. Muse S is a wearable headband designed to monitor brain activity during meditation and sleep. It uses EEG sensors to track brain waves and provide real-time feedback. This device helps users improve focus, reduce stress, and enhance sleep quality. Muse S connects to mobile apps that guide meditation sessions and display progress. It is lightweight, comfortable, and designed for daily use. The headband also tracks heart rate and movement for holistic wellness monitoring. With Muse S, users gain insights into their mental state and improve mindfulness. It combines technology and health to support better lifestyle habits. This wearable is popular for those seeking mental clarity and relaxation. Brain Control here supports self-care and personal growth. 5. BrainCo Focus No Headband. BrainCo Focus No is a brainwave monitoring headband that helps improve focus and learning. It uses EEG technology to detect concentration levels and provide feedback. Users receive real-time alerts when attention decreases during tasks. The device is designed for students, professionals, and anyone needing better focus. BrainCo's app offers personalized training programs to strengthen mental control. The headband is comfortable and easy to wear during work or study. It aims to enhance productivity and cognitive performance naturally. Focus No is gaining popularity in education and workplace settings. This brain-controlled wearable turns mental signals into actionable insights. It helps users stay engaged and improve mental clarity. 6. CTRL Labs Neural Interface. Meta. CTR Labs developed a wristband that translates electrical signals from muscles and nerves. Though not purely brain signals, it enables thought-driven control of devices. Meta acquired CTR Labs to develop neural interfaces integrated into smart wearables. The wristband reads subtle muscle activity to perform commands on computers or VR devices. This technology offers a new hands-free control method that feels natural. It is designed for gaming, AR, VR, and smart home applications. CTR Labs aims to make technology interaction more intuitive and immersive. Their wristband represents an important step toward full brain-machine communication. Early versions are available for developers and select users. This device hints at the near future of brain-controlled tech. 7. BitBrain Brainwear. BitBrain offers EEG-based wearable devices used in healthcare and research. Their brainwear monitors cognitive states, stress levels, and emotional responses. It supports brain-computer interface applications for rehabilitation and assistive technology. The devices are wireless, lightweight, and easy to use for long periods. BitBrain's platform includes software tools for real-time brain signal analysis. Their wearable tech helps patients improve motor skills and communication. It is widely adopted in clinical settings for neurofeedback and therapy. BitBrain Brainwear bridges neuroscience and everyday technology applications. Their devices enable new forms of brain interaction beyond traditional interfaces. 8. BrainGate Neural Interface. BrainGate is a clinical brain-computer interface designed to restore communication and movement. It uses implanted microelectrode arrays to detect neural activity with precision. The system translates brain signals into computer commands and robotic arm movements. BrainGate helps people with paralysis regain independence through technology. It is a collaboration between universities and hospitals advancing neural prosthetics. The device is still in research but has shown remarkable results. It opens pathways for restoring lost functions and improving quality of life. BrainGate represents one of the most advanced brain-controlled medical technologies. It demonstrates the real impact of neural interfaces in healthcare. 9. OpenBCI EEG Headsets. OpenBCI provides affordable open-source EEG headsets for brain data collection and control. Their devices enable developers, researchers, and hobbyists to build brain-computer projects. OpenBCI headsets are modular, customizable, and compatible with various software platforms. They support education, neurofeedback, and brain-computer interface experimentation. Brain-controlled wearables and smart devices are rapidly evolving and becoming practical today. These technologies offer hands-free control, improve health, and increase productivity. From medical interfaces to gaming and meditation, there is a device for every need. Many of these wearables help people with disabilities live more independently. As research advances, brain control will become more accurate and accessible. Try one of these devices if you want to experience the future of technology. The possibilities are endless when your brain becomes the interface. Let us know in comments which brain control device excites you the most. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech insights.